Hi everyone, welcome to our Chinese medicine study. Today we are going to continue to talk about the formula. We have finished the purgative formula, and then today we are going to talk about mediating formula. The group of mediating formula. Mediating, it means, for instance, if 2y is Hi everyone, welcome to our Chinese medicine study today. Today we are going to talk about mediating formula. Mediating formula is actually used for the very special area. So the pathogen is not on superficial or is not internal. So it's in between superficial and internal, because if the pathogen stay in the superficial area, like on your skin, on very superficial area, we will use dispelling formula like 麻黄汤、桂枝汤 or 银翘散. If the pathogen goes to internal, then we can use purgative formula. But at this stage, the pathogen is not at superficial level, but it's also not internal, so it's in between. The mediating can use for pathogen in between superficial and internal. It also can use if the intestine and the stomach is not harmonized, or the liver and the stomach is not harmonized. So we all use, in this condition, we use mediating formula. Mediating formula in meridian we call Xiao disease. The typical Xiao disease is not on superficial, it's in between. Why the pathogen can go in inner parts, or why the pathogen can go can break the superficial defense and goes in, is actually because of the body is weak, kind of weak, but it haven't go to the deep internal, so it stay in between. At this stage, we don't use sweating method, we don't use purgative method. So that's why we talk today. The formula we use at this stage is mediating formula. The first formula we're going to talk is Xiao Cai Hu Tang. Xiao Cai Hu Tang is from Sanhanlun as well. You're going to see the ingredient first. As you can see, the ingredients are 柴胡、黄芩、人参、半夏、甘草、生姜、大枣。小柴胡汤 in Sanhanlun, it described as patients suffer from cold. The patient was attacked by cold, and patient sometimes have fever, sometimes feel cold, aversion to cold. The patient have oppressed chest. The patient also have very poor appetite and very irritated in the heart, and the patient may be nausea. Bitter taste in the mouth, dry throat, and sometimes feel dizzy. The tongue was the coating of the tongue was white. So in this formula, you can see from the ingredient 柴胡. 柴胡 is Shaoyang herbs. It can relieve the pathogen in Shaoyang meridian. And 黄芩 actually can clear the heat. The heat is in Shaoyang gallbladder, so it can clear the gallbladder heat. Caihu and Huangqin, when they use together, they can clear the heat in Shaoyang meridian and in Shaoyang gallbladder. So it's both in meridian and gallbladder heat can be clear with Caihu and Huangqin. Also, they use Banxia. Banxia is the herb to clear phlegm, and also Banxia can help to relieve nausea. Banxia and Senjiang, they can warm the stomach to relieve nausea, to help to treat the nausea. 人参、甘草、大枣, these three are actually tonifying herbs. So, as we talked previously, the patient, why he got Shaoyang disease, because the patient, the condition is weak, kind of weak, so the pathogen can goes deeper, but not in a part of the body. It goes deeper because the patient is weak. So in this weak condition, we will use 人参、甘草、大枣 to tonify, to make the body condition better, to fight for the disease. So once your body conditions improved, and then you can get the pathogen out of your body. That's how we treat Shaoyang disease. In Shaoyang, in mediating formula, why we call it mediating? It's actually in one formula. We use both cold herbs and warm herbs. We use both tonifying herbs and purgative herbs. We use in same formula. Like before, in previous video, we talk about purgative formula, like 大承气汤、小承气汤、增液调味承气汤. These three承气汤are purgative formula. They only have the herbs to purge, to cause diarrhea. There are no tonifying herbs. In mediating formula, we combine with the purgative, the and tonify. So it's actually conflict. There's some conflict herbs, and that's how to make to harmonize. Thank you for watching our video today. For more information, you can visit our website. See you next time.